Hi guys, I am Yash Malhotra with my friend Roshan Kumar on the board, and we are here to represent the topic and our project, attendance management system using QR code. Here we have basically designed a very raw structure of the data that can be fetched from the QR code to the system for the attendance purpose. First, let us understand what the attendance management system and how do we use it using QR code. Implementing an attendance management system using QR code involves creating a system that generates and scans QR code to track and manage attendance. Hence, we have used a CSV file to extract the data, and then we have used the Python program to put up the logic and implement it on the framework popularly known as Flask. Here the Flask framework and HTML and CSS have been used in order to develop the front end, which is generally the work of mine. And now I would request my friend Roshan Kumar to explain the technicalities of the project.
So hi guys, RKS this side. Let's move into the logic. Let us start by understanding the basics of our program. This is the basic code for the implementation of the logic, from where we have derived the input from the user like name, class, roll number and section using Python. Now let us move towards the implementation of the code. The moment we implement the code, we find out that the box drops entering the names. Let us put some name like Roshan Kumar, class 12, roll number 1, section 2, and the name Vaishnavi Kumari, class 12, roll number 2, section 2. Enter the name. Now let us. Okay, Yash Malhotra, 12, 3, 2, Alok Singh, 12, 3, 2. Okay, now let us check in the data.csv file that are the names that we input stored. Oh yes, the names that we put are stored here. We can see in the form. Now let us move towards the HTML code and try to understand the HTML. This is the basic HTML code. This we are doing basically to include the CSS in the next. Okay, here comes the CSS code in order to define and make simplify our HTML code so that we can make a beautiful UI UX. Okay, so here comes our Flask code. Now let us implement. Just wait for a slot. Local machine, localhost. Okay, just wait for 5,000. Okay, so guys, here comes our input. Now let us put some names. Okay, roll number 2, section 3. Okay. So in this way we will take some more. Let us take two more names. Okay, just wait for a while. Okay, just wait. Okay, let us submit. Now let us check in the data.csv file. Oh yeah, we got all our new added data that are in the highlighted form. So here we got our data from the UI UX folder. That means the connection is fine. Now let us move towards implementation of the QR codes. Here we can see that QR code generated for Yash Malhotra, Alok Singh, Vishwanath, Akrite and Shreya Mishra. Okay guys, so here comes our QR codes. Okay, now we will send this QR code to the students. Now let us test the logic of scanning. Okay, now here comes my QR code. Oh yeah, one present done. Another one. Okay, Okay, the second present done. Now just wait. Okay. Oh yeah, third present done. Yeah. Now the fourth present done. Okay, guys, let us take these sets as the attendance. Now let us have a look at our attendance.csv file. Yeah, we got our inputs. These are in the encoded form and we need to decode them. Basically these data are in encoded form until and unless they are opened in Excel files. Now this is the Flask code for implementing a beautiful UI UX. Here we have used lots of button and titles to make it more attractive. I just mean 2 buttons. Okay, let us fit it. Yeah. So here comes our Golgotias attendance system. Let us start. Okay, just wait for a while. Let me get the QR codes. Yeah, present done. Another one. Yeah, already present. That's great. Okay, already present. There comes. Okay, present done. Already present. Here basically the present done means that present have been marked, and already done means that the present have already been marked and we are again scanned. Okay, now let us check our data in attendance.csv file. That have we got the data that we have scanned now? Let me close this. Okay, now let us come. Oh yeah, here goes all the highlighted data that we got from our Flask document. Thank you.